couple images here of how different kinds of mental activity change neural activity temporarily. This is a slice of a brain kind of like this, all right? And the blob there is the caudate nucleus. It's part of the reward centers of the brain in the basal ganglia. It activates when we take cocaine or win a lottery. In this particular case, these are college students who are head over heels in love, right? Young men and young women who have just been shown a photograph of their sweetheart, all right? Their mind has changed. Oh, lovey-lovey, pitter-pat. And the next thing you know, the brain changes as well, okay? I'm not equating being in love with snorting coke, right? They just both, work on different reward centers of the brain. Here's another image, a little more esoteric. This is a Tibetan monk, MRI shot like this, looking this way. The orange blob there is the anterior, which means frontal cingulate cortex. It looks like the whole rest of the brain has gone dark. It really hasn't. The orange blobby area is about 2 to 3% more metabolically active. It's consuming 2 to 3% more oxygen. But that's a difference that makes a difference. And it illustrates that that part of the brain is right now more active. That part of the brain, the anterior frontal cingulate cortex, is very involved with the deliberate control of attention, the top-down executive control of attention. So if a person is trying to be mindful, or a person is trying to sustain attention in a class, whether it's 5th grade in long division or this class right here, or if a person is trying to keep their mind with what their partner is saying and sustain attention to a partner, they're engaging the anterior cingulate cortex. In this particular case, this is a Tibetan monk sending boundless compassion, non-referential compassion to all beings in all quarters. He's inside an MRI, with the magnets banging away, bing, 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 bing. He's got to concentrate, right? So he's working that particular part of the brain, and it's getting more active. Right? Another illustration here. These are Christian nuns, Carmelite nuns, I believe, in Quebec. They've been asked to recall a profound spiritual experience, which for them probably is a sense of union with the divine, a bride of Christ kind of experience. Well, it's a busy slide where the action is really in the top row, and I want to point out that as their minds changed in that way, having a really reactivation, a re-evoking of a deeply important spiritual experience, their brains changed as well in 3 regions in particular.